Hello guys, so for today's video, samahan nyo ako as we drop by Robinson's Galleria kasi today is the first Saturday of May, meaning ito yung free comic book day or doon sa promotion nila, it's araw ng libreng comics. So maaga yung call time ko, papasok tayo before the mall actually opens. So thanks Robinsons for invite and let's go. Hindi na ako sanay maglakad mula MRT Ortigas hanggang dito. So, umiikot ko yung lakad. Doon ako sa likod ng TGI Fridays dadaan. So, pagod na ako. Uy, comics vlogger. Kuya, vlogger ka? Kuya, vlogger ka? Shit, vlogger? Kuya, comics vlogger ka?
Kuha na kayo.
Uy, kumusta? Mamaya, papapirma ako sa'yo.
A soundbite. What are we expecting for this year?
Chaos and happiness.
We've been doing this for a while. We have been doing this for decades. For the third floor. With the basement pa.
Third floor basement.
Basement, every there. So, okay. So gusto mo ng history lesson? History lesson ito, una meron sila sa third floor. Tapos sumipat sila sa baba, sa basement. Sobrang haba rin ang pila. If you've seen that, yung basement nila swirling na pababa hanggang sa basement 2. Nabutan mo ba yun? Meron silang ganun noon. Tapos ngayon, dito na sila. Nasa gitna na sila. Sa atrium na sila ngayon, which is a big improvement. So I got 2 books. Already have set na pinabinigay ng Robinsons and Comic Odyssey. Pero I got additional 2 and I'm just gonna show you kung ano. So first off is ito, Sonic DC. I think my daughter will like this, and then tapos ito, na-addict siya dito sa Avatar. So yan, let's check it out later. Okay, so babalik tayo dito mamaya sa atrium. Okay na ako kasi nakakuha na ako ng pack. So yeah, yung mga kailangan ko, yung Marvel, yung Energon, yung DC's here. Got 2 extra as I mentioned kanina. What I'm gonna do is pupunta na tayo sa labas para pakita ko lang sa inyo yung pila. I mean, kung hindi pa kayo sanay sa full free comic book day, or this is your first time na makakalabas, or alam mo yon, hindi pa kayo sanay dito. Usually pag umaga mahaba yung pila, sobrang haba. Kasi papasok na ang kasi dito, nagkakaubusan na ano tawag dito? Nagkakaubusan ng books. Dati kasi, you get like only books. Pero ngayon, hindi ako makalabas. Yun nga, hindi tayo hindi tayo makakapasok pa. Unless may pila na to. Okay, so yun nga, check ko lang sa labas kung kaya kong lumabas. As I was saying, yun nga, ito na nga tayo. So I think ito na yung pila. At ito yung pila ng Free Comic Book Day. Aba Saan ang pasok nito? Saan ang entrance sila dun sa kabila? Okay. Dito pwede mag-exit. Okay, sige. Ay, kabila. Okay, thank you. So, ito pala yun. So, ito. Sunundan natin yung ruta nila. Ito lang yan, nasa chatroom. Ayan. Ayan na. So, mas marami ng tao ngayon. Mas masaya na. Ayan. Let's check out other stuff here. Boss! Video! Kuya, Michael Jackson ka? Kuya, Michael Jackson ka? Ito po, magaganda yung mga books. Busy po. Content creator ngayon.
Hindi ngayon, hindi ngayon.
Ngayon, tatrabaho siya ngayon.
Yep.
So what's your book called?
Okay, this is Trinity, a superhero story. Diba? Usually superheroes, they present themselves as good people.
Yep.
But some of these guys, they're trying to start the end of the world.
Okay.
So, superheroes gone rogue or are they all rogue?
Let's see. How many books? How many issues
So,
have
so
you
far, meron kami 4 chapters. We're working on the last and final chapter, the one that's capping up all what's happening in the story. And hopefully, ma-release namin this year. But 4 chapters so far, and you're gonna have fun reading this character.
Nice. Alright. Thank you.
Thank you.
Ay, last na pala. You invite the guys who visit you here.
Okay, I would like to invite everyone to come dito sa Araw ng Libreng Comics dito sa Robinson's Galleria from Comic Odyssey. And if you want to check out my comics, nandito lang din ako where I'm in the middle of everything. So just
Ayun lang
go
siya.
around, have fun, go meet the comiceros here, and see you soon.
Okay, go. Hey guys, so can you tell us more about your books?
Right, we are the co-creators of Lindor comic. So currently we have 9 issues. Some have variant covers as well. So the story is what if the big one happened? And how would the Filipino, it's based in the Philippines, how would the Filipino be able to handle that? So it's like Walking Dead meets San Andreas. If you've seen those shows in those movies.
Okay. So Randy, anything I have to add?
I enjoy doing this because I do traditional art forms.
Okay.
Ano naman nila na mostly of my artwork, all my art forms are in digital. So, pero itong Windows, all commission. Nasa paper lahat.
Look, guys, can you invite? Oh, so go ahead.
Before we invite, let's promote hardware pala.
Okay.
You can get this at our table. This is the work of Randy. For only 300. Our issues are 250. Only 3 copies. Two. Akin na to. Akin na to. Sana.
Ubus na. Okay.
Please come and visit us here at Free Comic Book Day, sponsored by Comic Odyssey. And you can find us if you come in with the first booth on the right.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
All right. So busy.
I know, right?
How are you? Might as well. Can you talk about what's your latest book?
Oh my god, I don't have a latest book right now.
Can you just talk about what are some of your best picks here?
Well, I'll tell you what my favorite comic is. The favorite story I've written is called War of Whispers.
Okay.
Yeah. So it's my supernatural World War II comic set in Manila about a young boy he was like trying to deliver a message to the Americans, to change the course of the war. Along the way, he encounters creatures from both Japanese and Filipino folklore, but he doesn't know whether it's in his head or it's really actually
Okay.
happening.
That's a nice premise.
Yeah.
Okay. Can you invite them to?
Please come to F3BD right now here, Robinson's Galleria. There's a whole bunch of free stuff. Amazing talent. Please come here.
Thank you.
I'm the creator of Digmaang Salilay. Digmaang Salilay has been going on for 20 plus years already. It's a high fantasy sword and sorcery mixed in with Filipino epics and mythology elements. So kung naghahanap kayo ng high fantasy na localized,
Okay. So what is the very first, kung magpipick up sila from start, ano yung dapat nilang kunin?
like I said, it's been going on for 20 years. So I have a big ass omnibus book.
Wow.
It's 472 pages that has been finished in a decade or so.
Okay. Thank you. Okay, and just to wrap things up, I'm gonna show you yung mga hauls ko from the event. First off, binigyan tayo ni Mr. Teddy Villasor ng poster for this one. It's also in honor of my friend si Andrew Villar. So it's part of his Lindol book, pero at the same time it's done with the same with the look and feel ni Andrew, ni Anvil. Tapos, we also get this, which is a really nice poster. Naghahanap ako ng lugar sa kwarto or ng officean ko pwedeng i-display to. Really good. And then, kita mo yung kambal, then 13, and the FCBD logo is there. What else? Ito rin pala yung binigay ng Comic Odyssey and ng Robinsons dun sa pack, dun sa tote bag na magandang binigay nila. And I'm gonna show you kung ano yung laman. I think I have like 4 different books na ito yung pinaka highest pick, and I guess ito na yung pinakamarami na books na available sa kanila. Let's start off with the wildly popular Energon Universe, yung FCBD issue nila, and this is the DC, pero I'm just showing you the back right now. Ito yung harap, so it's still part of the next level ng All In. Then we also have, for some strange reason, Garfield from Boom Studios. We'll try to read that later. And syempre, hindi mawawala yung Marvel, which is Avengers Armageddon. I'm so excited to read this. Pero, ayun nga. We also have, let me check here. So, naka-extra din ako. Pinakuha nila ako ng 2 more. So, I picked Avatar, which is a comics giveaway from Nickelodeon Books, and yung special na DC and Sonic the Hedgehog crossover book, which I really like. I also got a couple of stickers from Super Manila. So ito yung isa, I think these were the specially packed stickers, yung kay Paul Medina, and then there's another one from Manix, if I remember correctly. It's somewhere here. Tapos ito, Trinity. Ayan, maganda rin yan. So, nakita niyo yung interview ko kay Ray kanina. So, just if you want the book, I suggest you pick it up. Maganda rin siya. What else is here? Ayun nga, ito yung stickers. Ito yata yung kay Manix na artwork. And ano pa ba? Let me see here. Ayun, sketch day. Awan ko, ano to? Card yata to, pero I'm not sure. Hindi ko yata nagamit to eh. But anyway guys, yun nga ang end ng video na to. Thanks for watching and please subscribe. See you!